Good morning, K3. Welcome back to a brand new week of learning. Do you know what day it is? Today is Monday. That's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. You got it. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. And we're in the month of November. That's right. Can you help me read the date? Super. Today is Monday, November 8th, 2021. And this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. All right, do you know how many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2, that's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. What are they? A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark the vowel with the happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. That's right. Super. Now, here we go. We have our vowel chart. Let's read our vowel chart. Look, it has the happy face, so we're going to say the short sound. I, Indian. A, umbrella. E, elephant. A, apple. A, ostrich. What does the elephant say? That's right. Super. So those 5 letters are vowels. A-E-I-O-U. There's only 5 vowels in the alphabet. All the rest are consonants. Okay? Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. The name of this letter is B. It makes a sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says B, B, B. The name of this letter is H. It makes a sound H, as in horse. H says ha, ha, ha. The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamb. L says L, L, L. The name of this letter is M. It makes a sound as in milk. M says The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says T, T, T. Super duper. Today, we are going to learn a brand new consonant. Now listen to the words of these numbers. Listen. 6, 7. Do they have the same beginning sound? Let's listen one more time. 6, 7. Yes! Both of these numbers start with the letter S. They make the sound S, like a snake. Look, this is the letter S that makes the sound S, as in sun. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Yay! Okay, so the name of this letter is S. It makes the sound S, S, as in sun. S says S, S, S. Look what we have up here. We have some sentences. Now I'm going to read the sentence and then we're going to decide which words have the letter S at the beginning of it, okay? Are you ready? First it says, Sam saw a slick slide. Does Sam have the letter S at the beginning of it? Yes! So we're going to circle, this is a capital S. Remember, when we put letters together in different combinations, like magic, they make words. Can you imagine a boy named Sam in your mind? There you go. And it starts with the letter S. Sam saw. There's another S. Did you see it? I saw it. Woohoo! Saw a. Does it have the letter S in that word? A slick. Slick. Yes. There's the S at the beginning of the word. A slick slide. There's another S. Do you like to go down the slide at the park? I do. Yes, it's so fun. Okay, here's the next sentence. Let's listen, okay? Sue sat on a soft sofa. Ooh, I like soft sofas. Let's see. Sue. Sue begins with the capital S. That makes a sound S. Sue is a girl. Can you imagine a girl named Sue? Sat. Sat on. No S there. No. Soft. Ooh, a nice soft. Yes, there's an S right there. Woohoo. On a soft sofa. There's another S. Take time to look at these sentences and recognize the letter S that makes the sound S. Okay? Super. Super starts with S too. You are super students. Super students. We'll start with the letter S. Super student. You are a super student. Super. Now, letters and sounds pages. No homework today. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.